Did you hear the story of the three blind mice? Three blind mice. Three blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as three blind mice? They all ran after the farmer's wife, who screamed and ran for dear life. The mice had already hidden her knife, the three blind mice. Three blind mice. Three blind mice went to check their eyes. Went to check their eyes. The doctor gave them spectacles. The mice could suddenly see very well. They thanked the doctor and said a farewell. The three blind mice. Three blind mice. Three blind mice went back to their home. Went back to their home. Three blind mice. Three blind mice. They bought some medicine. They bought some medicine. They put the cream as they sang a song, and back grew their tails so long and strong. They all were happy and lived a life long, the three blind mice. That was a curious tale. See you next time.